I just put my hand in my powder and it's gone all over the bed. No! Oh my god. I just also forgot I had foundation on my hand and I just wiped it on my clean trousers. Ah! This is not going well at all. Hey guys, Don't Let Your Hands here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to have a little bit of a throwback. We're going to go back roughly 10 years. Yeah, 10 years. It seems like such a long time ago, but when you think it's not really that long ago. We're going to go back 10 years to when I was like 12, 13. I was kind of discovering makeup and then was like, nah, I was too edgy for makeup. I honestly, yeah, let's just not talk about that period of time. But I thought it would be interesting to do like a kind of half and half thing. But to do like half my face, how I do my makeup now, after just like watching YouTube and that for 4 years and slowly, you know, getting into makeup, and do this half of my face how I did my makeup 10 years ago when I was 13 and had no idea what I was doing. I didn't even watch beauty YouTubers back then because I was like, nah, that's not for me. I was too emo, I was too goth or whatever I thought at the time. So let's relive those horrific memories. I think what I might do is quickly do this half of my face how I normally do it, because that's something that you guys see pretty much all the time, so there's nothing new, there's nothing changed with that. And when we get to this half, which will be the half from 10 years ago, then I will let you guys in on it. So let's begin. So here is my craziness in all of its glory. On this side of my face, how I do my makeup now, I normally do a primer, a foundation, a concealer, my eyebrows, mascara, eyeliner, highlight, blush, bronzer, setting spray, all of that. I don't, this is like every day, I don't normally do eyeshadow, but I was going to do an eyeshadow look because the other look sometimes involved eyeshadow, so I was going to tie the two together with that, but I completely forgot to do it, and I put my eyeliner on and I was like, shit. So we're going to forgo the eyeshadow for now, but sometimes if I'm going out to like dinner or something, I'll put an eyeshadow look on. But this is what I would normally do now, basically. So now we'll dive into this very naked looking section of my face. Normally I wouldn't really do a lot. Occasionally I would do eyeshadow, but my makeup routine consisted of foundation and eyeliner, and that was it. The foundation I would normally use would be a powder foundation, and I honestly have no idea what one it was, because this foundation appeared in my house one day. I didn't buy it. I don't think my mum bought it because she doesn't wear makeup. So this foundation just appeared out of nowhere. I have no idea where it came from, which member of my family it belonged to. I think it might have been my nan. So obviously because this powder foundation just appeared out of nowhere, it was also not my shade. So for today, I have bought the Collection Pressed Powder. This is the shade, this is also upside down. This is 42 Misty Beige. So this isn't going to match me at all, which was the foundation that I used to use. The foundation I used did not match me at all. It was too orange, it was too tan, it was just, yeah, it was an experience. But then again, back in like 2013, everyone's foundation was like that. It was really bizarre. Everyone just decided, no, we're just gonna wear the wrong kind of foundation and there's nothing you can do about it. I have swatched this. I think this might be a good match for when I'm tan, maybe, like just to set my normal foundation. Let me just do like the world's weirdest swatch there. So as you can see, that does not match me at all, so I would just get any old brush and just have a good old dig around in there, coat the brush, and away we go. I really should have bought something to tie my hair up with because I'm going to get this all in my hair and I've just washed it today. So, and I would just rub this on. Just keep swirling and rubbing. You can already see, I don't know if you can see very well. Let me try and move my light a bit and drop the lid as well. I'm very orange. So let's just keep going until my whole face is covered. Now of course, back in the day, we had the infamous foundation face. Oh wow, that just went all up in my eyebrow. Yeah, we didn't know about blending down past the neck apparently. So, ooh, do you know what? I think this might even be too orange for me when I'm tan. So yeah, so we're just gonna run that all over. Make sure not to blend down the neck because, you know, that would be sensible and would not make us look like we're wearing an actual mask, but hey ho. There we go. So I think I am sufficiently covered. I don't know if you guys can see that. I might need to move locations soon because it's getting very dark in here all of a sudden. So next step was to do some eyeliner. Now back in the day I could never do all of this with a liquid liner or even a pencil, so I just grabbed any old soft tip pencil. This one is just Molko black eye pencil. Oh wow, thanks there pencil for getting black all on me. And I would literally just do it under this waterline, like on and under the waterline, until I look like a raccoon, basically. So let's do that. Now that we're sufficiently raccooned, that is how I would normally do my makeup. So that is what it would normally look like. However, I did get adventurous one time. Wow, it is getting really dark in here. I'm so sorry. I may have to move, like I said. The one time I did decide to be adventurous, I bought a single pan of black eyeshadow. Now, I don't have a single pan of black eyeshadow, but I'm going to be using the I Heart Revolution chocolate salted caramel one. There is a black in here, and it is called Tempt. It looks exactly like the black that I used to use. It is that shade up there. And I'm going to take the brush that came with this palette. I don't know why. Revolution, you included one of these silly little brushes, but there we go. Like, nobody uses these for makeup applications. I'm trying to be professional here and I can't, I've got not enough hands. So I would use these sponge applicators to just apply it all over my lid. So let's do that. I haven't digged into this eyeshadow palette yet, so this is the first time I'm digging into it and I'm like, it was all so pristine and now it's not. And the black's like going everywhere, so let's bung this. Oh wow, Oh, the memories. Bung that all over the lid. Oh, and that fallout as well. Great. Smooth that out a bit. I forgot what did I used to do anything to the end? I think I just left it like that. I can't believe that my mother let me go out like this. Let me just like neaten up around here because wow. Oh my god, that's hilarious. How was I allowed to go out like this? Like, seriously, I would not let my child out like this. I look like I've just been punched in the eye and have a really bad black eye. So that was pretty much it for this side. Again, I didn't really wear lipstick. This is normally what I would wear. Occasionally, I would do a lipstick as well, but let me show you. So as if this wasn't enough black, I used to get the same eyeshadow pencil that I would use on my eyeballs and I would put it on my lips. So let's do that just for a good old trip down memory lane and see how fabulous I look. Oh my god, who knew eyeshadow pencils were so difficult to use as lipstick? Not me, apparently. So that is what I used to do for my makeup back in like 2009, 2010. They were some fun times. So this is now 2019. Hopefully getting there with the makeup skills. And this was back in 2009, 2010 to when I had no clue what I was doing and I just wanted to be a little emo babe. So I'm sorry, I keep looking in the viewfinder and I really cannot take myself seriously now. So that does it for this video, guys. It was just a quick little trip down memory lane. I just wanted to, you know, relive the good old memories of putting eyeliner on my lips because that was a smart thing to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and relive your childhood makeup memories because trust me, it's a wild ride and kind of funny when you compare the two now. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to donate your hands to the like button if you did. Leave some comments down below. What were some weird things that you used to do 10 years ago in makeup? Was it putting eyeliner on your lips because you didn't have the right lipstick colour? Was it anything else weird that you think, why did I do that? So please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to read some of the things that you guys have got to say. Don't forget to hit subscribe, ring the notification bell to be notified of when I post a new video, and I will see all you guys in my next video. Bye!